But even as the state gears up to exercise their fundamental right to vote, 60 years after they migrated from Pakistan, there are some who still don't have that right. And as Zafar Iqbal now reports, in Jammu and Kashmir this time, thousands of West Pakistani refugees are demanding that they be given a permanent resident status.
For Bahadur Lal, the ongoing state elections are meaningless. He is among the West Pakistan refugees who were born and brought up in Jammu, but can't vote in state polls as they do not have permanent residence or a state subject certificate.
हिंदुस्तान में रहने का, हमें एक वोट डालने का अपना अधिकार हमारे पास नहीं है, तो हम बच्चों को पढ़ाने के बाद भी मतलब इतना फील होता है कि पढ़ा दिया चलो, लेकिन खर्चा करने के बाद दुख होता है कि कल नौकरी न मिले, बच्चा हमारा बेरोजगार है.
Close to 6,000 families migrated to Jammu from the neighbouring Sialkot district of Pakistan in 1947. But 60 years on, they can't buy property or get jobs or even cast their votes in the state. Though as citizens of India, they can vote in parliamentary elections. The curse is passed down generations. Bahadur's daughter Rinki, studying in class 11th, can't even take the state medical entrance examination.
कि हमारा जो स्टेट सब्जेक्ट नहीं है और उसके अलावा हमें एडमिशन्स भी नहीं मिल सकती हैं बिना स्टेट सब्जेक्ट के.
The grant of state rights to over 1 lakh such refugees was a key issue in the last election. But since then, it has been struck down twice in the assembly. The state government says only families that have lived in Jammu and Kashmir before 1944 are eligible for permanent resident status. But Jammu-based parties have once again raised the pitch.
इनके स्टेट सब्जेक्ट बने जाए, इनको भी नौकरियां मिले बाकियों की तरह, उस हक के लिए हम पूरी लड़ाई करेंगे और उनको वो हक दिलवाएंगे.
West Pakistani refugees form a sizable section of the population here. Their state subject certificates and voting rights have always remained an important election issue. But the question being asked is that why is it taking so long to translate that sentiment into reality? In Jammu with Ashwini Mehra, Zafar Iqbal for NDTV.